So in this video, we are going to see very interesting chapter, that is the simple equations, chapter 4, part 1. So in lower class, you have studied simple equations. In 6th class, you have studied simple equations. Just to recall. See, on equation is a condition on variable, and equation always condition on variable. The word variable means, you know what is variable. Variable means value changes. Value changes. Okay, it is denoted by x, y, z, like that. See, the word variable means something that can vary, that is change. A variable takes on different numerical values. That is one variable you take. X means x may be 10, x may be 100, x may be 1000. You don't know. That is unknown. That is called unknown. So its value is not fixed. Its value is not fixed. So variables denoted by the letters of the alphabets like X, Y, Z, L, M, N, P, etc. Clear? Always you have to denote small letter X, Y, Z. So what is constant? What is constant? That is fixed value. Constant means fixed value. All numerical value is called constant. Constant means fixed value. All numerical value like 100, 15, 16, that is constant. Constant means the value does not change. Okay, whereas variable means value changes. Value changes. But constant means value does not change. Clear? So always you have to remember. Okay, difference between constant and variable. Clear? So this from variables we form expressions. So expressions how formed means, that is variables, then basic operations. That is the expressions are formed by performing basic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division on the variables. For example, you see 4x plus 5 is an expression. 10y minus 20. Like this you can write so many expressions by using variable and basic operations. Basic operation. Here that 4x, how will you read? 4 into x. Multiplication. 4 into x plus 5. The plus symbol and minus symbol playing main role. That is, it is separating the terms. Plus and minus symbols are separating the terms. Clear? So this expression having how many terms? 2 terms. 2 terms. Here what is the coefficient of x? 4. Coefficient of x is 4. Here 5 is what? Constant term. 5 is called constant term. Clear? Same way here 10y minus 20. 10 into y. You have to read properly. 10y is nothing but 10 into y minus 20. Okay, minus 20. Here 10y is one term. Okay, this minus 20 is another term. Clear? So the minus symbol is what? Separating the into 2 terms. Minus is separating into what? 2 terms. Clear? That is first term and second term. Clear? So this expression also having 2 terms. So what is the value of this expression? What is the value of this expression when x is equal to 5? Just to recall, what is the value of expression when x is equal to 5? Means this expression you write, you put the value of x. Put the value of x means 4 into 5 plus 5. 4 into 5 plus 5, that is 20 plus 5, that is 25. So 4x plus 5 equal to 25. 4x plus 5 is equal to 25. Okay, this is an equation. So this is called an equation. Clear? 4x plus 5 equal to 25. So equation means you should have equal to symbol. That means this is left hand side, this is right hand side. Center is you have equal symbol. You have left hand side and right hand side. Clear? Both the side always you should be satisfied. Depends on this value of x. Clear? You see now, and x is equal to 5 is a solution of this equation. This 5 you put means correctly it will be satisfied. 5 you put 20, 20 plus 5, 25. Left hand side 25 equal to right hand side 25. Okay, so that it is called an equation, and this is called simple equation. It's called simple equation. So now we will see what equation is. An equation is a condition on variable. Already you know that. Equation is a condition on variable. The condition is that two expressions should have equal value. Two expressions. Clear? One is left hand side, another one is right hand side. Both should have equal value. Then that is called equation. You see this important note. At least one of the two expressions must contain the variable. Clear? Either left hand side or right hand side, you should have the variable. Clear? And equation remains the same when the expressions on the left and on the right are interchanged. Clear? So equation always remains same. You can take left hand side expression on right hand side or right hand side expression on left hand side. Clear? Anyway, you can interchange. So this property is often useful in solving equations. So this property is very important. Clear? While solving, we will use that property on taking right hand side to left hand side or left hand side to right hand side. We will use. You see the examples. 4x plus 5 equal to 6x minus 25. This is an equation. Both the side you have x, variable x. Understand? You may have one side also variable x. Okay. Earlier we have seen what 4x plus 5 equal to 25. Okay. Earlier example we have seen 4x plus 5 equal to 25. That is one side you have variable. This equation having two sides variable. So this expression is having both the side variable. Clear? Therefore, here you see 4x plus 5 is left hand side. We will denote it as LHS. LHS means left hand side. Suppose you are standing like this, means this is right hand side, this is left hand side. Clear? So this is left hand side, this is right hand side. Center you have equal to symbol. Then the whole thing is called equation. So you have left hand side and right hand side. 6 minus 25 is right hand side, that is RHS. Simply we will in mathematics we will denote it as LHS RHS. LHS full form is left hand side. RHS full form is right hand side. Okay, this is very important note. Other than equal symbol, we have greater than and less than. No, not greater than and less than symbol. That is inequality symbol. This is called inequality symbol. Suppose we have 4x plus 5 greater than 65 is not an equation. Okay, when it is called equation means equal to symbol. If you have equal to symbol only, it is equation. But here greater than symbol means it is not equation. That is called what? Inequality. Using 4x plus 5 less than 65 is not an equation. Clear? This is also not an equation. So this is note very important. You have to always remember. Okay, equation means you should have equal symbol. Both the side you have variables. Clear? Both the side you have some expression. Here one expression, here one expression. Clear? At least for one side you should have variable. Clear? Then only what we will get? Equation. Understand? Now we will see some problems. Write the following statements in the form of equations. So on using this condition, you have to write the equation in mathematical form. So here what is statement given? The sum of 3 times x and 11 is 32. That means 3 times of x. 3 times x means 3x. Now sum of, next you see sum of this 3x and 11 means what? 3x plus 11. Both sum means plus. Sum of 3x and 11 means 3x plus 11. Okay. Now the whole sum is given. Okay, sum is given 32. Sum is 32 given. So what is sum? Sum of these two is 3x plus 11. Therefore, this can be written as 3x plus 11 is equal to, okay, sum 3x plus 11 is 32. So this is what required equation. This is required equation. This is required equation. Understand? This statement, that is a verbal form converting into mathematical equation. Mathematical equation. Here, so this is a required equation. Second problem you see. If you subtract 5 from 6 times a number, you get a 7. So actually you don't know the number. What is the number? Clear? You don't know. So what you have to do is you have to assume that unknown. Clear? You have to assume it as X or P, Z, anything you can assume. Clear? Let the number be, the required number be X. The required number be X you take. Clear? Or Y also you can take. Anything you can take. Now here if you subtract 5 from 6 times a number. So first to find out 6 times a number. 6 times a number is equal to 6x. 6 times a number is 6x. Subtract from 6x. Therefore subtract 5 from 6x. That means from, you have to write first minus 5. Subtract 6x minus 5. Now the result is 7. The result is, you get means the result is 7. Result means this is the result. Okay, this is the result. This result you write x minus 5 equal to 7. So this is required equation. This is required equation. Understand? So very simple. Easily we can form the equation according to this given condition. Clear? We see the next problem. Third one. 1/4 of m is 3 more than 7. So here 1/4 of m. First one, this condition. 1/4 of m means 1/4 of m means 1/4 means 1 by 4. Half means into m. That is m by 4. Okay, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Right. Okay. So m by 4. 1/4 of m means 1/4 means 1 by 4. Half means into, then m. So m by 4. Okay. Remember like that. It is greater than 7 by 3. So 1/4 of m is 3. More than 7 means this 1/4 is greater than 7 by 3. 7 by 3. This means the difference m by 4 minus 7 equal to 3. Then only we will get correctly what 1/4 of m. 1/4 of m is m by 4 is equal to 3 more than 7. That is 3 plus 7. This plus 7 you bring this side is minus 7. That is, therefore this can be written as m by 4 minus 7 is equal to 3. Okay, this means equal to 3. So this is required equation. Verbal form we have to change into one simple equation. Next problem is 1/3 of a number. The number is not given. What is the number not given? You have to assume. Here the number is given. 1/4 of m. In place of number m given. Okay. Here the unknown is given, but here the number unknown not given. So you have to assume first. Let the number be. Let the number be. For change you take y. Okay, y. X also you can take. Okay, I am taking now Y. Now 1/3 of a number means 1/3 of a number. 1/3 of a number. 1/3 means what? 1/3. Half means into Y. So this can be written as Y/3. This can be written as Y/3. Now plus 5. This number plus 5. That is Y/3. This number means this is 1/3 of a number means this one. Plus 5 with this plus 5. That is Y/3 plus 5 is Y/3 plus 5. Here you can write plus means symbol, addition symbol you would write. Okay. The whole result is what? 8. This result is 8. This result is 8. This is the result. Okay. This result is 8. That means Y/3 plus 5, that's equal to 8. So this is required equation. This is required equation. So like this easily we can form mathematical equation. Okay, you can form a simple equation. Now we will see the exercise problem. The exercise 4.1. Second problem you see. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. So here in the bracket the value is given. Okay, the corresponding variables. Clear? So whether this value is solution of this equation or not, you have to check. For that, what you have to do is you take left hand side. Take left hand side. What is given in the left hand side? LHS. Left hand side means LHS. This is left hand side. N plus 5, right, as it is. Put this value n equal to 1. You put always in the bracket. That is 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. That is not equal to right hand side. Right hand side what you have? 19. So 6 is not equal to 19. That is right hand side. Therefore LHS not equal to RHS. Therefore n equal to 1 is not a solution. It's not a solution of this equation, given equation. Solution of given equation. Understand? So like now we see C subdivision. That is 7n plus 5 equal to 19. N equal to 2 given in the bracket. So n is 2. That is solution or not. We have to check. Okay. So take left hand side always. What is given in the left hand side? 7n plus 5. Okay. Put this n value here. What you will get? 7 into 2. You have to put the value in the bracket. Then only the bracket means into 7 into 2, 14. 14 plus 5. Always put the value in the bracket. Then only you will multiply. Otherwise, what you will do means this 2 plus 5 will do 7. Then 7 into 7, 49 you will write. That is wrong. Clear? First what? Always you have to multiply. Clear? Then you have to add. So here 7 into 2 is 14 plus 5, that is 19. So that is equal to right hand side. You see right hand side. That is equal to right hand side. Okay. Therefore LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Okay. It is satisfied. Therefore it is a solution. N equal to 2 is the solution of given equation. Solution of given equation. So like this easily you can check whether it is solution or not. Okay. Next problem you see. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. Trial and error method means you have to put some values. Clear? Whether the equation is satisfying or not. You have to check. Clear? That is trial and error method. You see, first you take this equation, 5p plus 2 equal to 17. LHS, you write what is there. Put the value of p, first 0 putting. Clear? Just to put the value of 0 means this fully will be eliminated. So you will get 2. Left hand side you will get 2. Okay. When you put 0 in place of p, 0 into 5, 0. 0 plus 2 is 2. Left hand side you will get 2. Right hand side what you have? 17. They are not equal. They are not equal. Clear? Result you write. That is better. Result. Okay, result is LHS not equal to RHS. LHS not equal to RHS. Okay, value 0. First value 0. Okay, now left hand side you write. Same way left hand side you write. Now you put 1. Put 1 means what you will get on left hand side? You are taking left hand side, put value 1 in place of p means 5 into 1, 5 plus 2, 7. So left hand side you will get 7. But right hand side what you have? 17. These two are equal? No. So LHS not equal to RHS. Okay, LHS not equal to RHS. Okay, next you take 2 you take. What you will get 2? Means 5 into 2, 10. 10 plus 2, 12. 10 plus 2, 12. Left hand side 12 you are getting. But right hand side you have 17. Here also the result is LHS not equal to RHS. LHS not equal to RHS. That is the result. Okay. Again you put next value 3 you put. What you will get? 3 into 5, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. Again left hand side what? 17. Now right hand side you are having 17. So both are equal. So LHS equal to RHS. The result is LHS equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS means then satisfied. This value is what? Satisfied. Therefore, P equal to 3 is the solution. This value of P is what? 3. Therefore, P equal to 3 is the solution of given equation. Solution of given equation. Understand? So like this you have to find out the solution. Here solve means you have to find out the value of P by using trial and error method. This is called trial and error method. Okay, one by one you have to put the value and check whether the equation is satisfied or not. Okay, when it is satisfied, then you can find out the solution. Okay? When the value of P is equal to 3, then the equation is satisfied. Therefore, P equal to 3 is the solution of given equation. So I will give same type of problems. Okay? You do the homework for better practice.